This is the story of eVidyaloka about their grit and determination. Their mission is to provide quality education to the rural children of India. Now, into their 10th year, they have truly transformed the landscape of education in rural India. In India, 1 in every 8 children drops out of school due to poverty, child labor, gender-biased oppression, and lack of resources. If the first education crisis in India was because of the lack of infrastructure, the second is due to the shortage of teachers and access to quality education. Currently, there is a shortage of 1.2 million teachers in India. That begs a very important question. How do we stop children from dropping out of schools? In January 2011, Venkat and Satish co-founded eVidyaloka to address that problem. Their plan was to set up digital classrooms in rural and remote villages of India and then connect passionate volunteers from across the world with these rural children.
eVidyaloka is really not an aha moment idea actually, but it's a culmination of the intense desire of Satish and myself when we were exchanging certain passionate conversations to see how we can bring together the volunteerism and technology for the betterment of the society.
eVidyaloka was born out of an idea to bridge the gap in education and also use the knowledge that people were willing to give in abundance to children who are hungry to learn.
While the idea was noble, it came with its own set of challenges. First was the remoteness of these places, and second was connectivity.
Doing those remote coordination between the set of volunteers who were across Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, and with this small remote village called Tenur in the Perambalur district of Tamil Nadu. It is that complexity of that coordination which kind of got smoothened out eventually.
To fulfill their dreams, over the past 10 years, passionate volunteers have stepped up from over 280 cities in 20 countries around the world and contributed their time to teaching rural children online. Ranging from homemakers to scientists to retired professionals, these dedicated volunteer teachers have sparked a new joy of learning in these children. The children too have responded well to this unique opportunity.
The moment I log into Skype, there are about 15 eager faces, cheerful, smiling faces, going Indonesian with a good morning, ma'am, and it just makes my day. And for this, I would remain forever grateful to the eVidyaloka family and hope to continue adding more value to the cause whilst also enriching my own experiences.
I joined eVidyaloka because I too wanted to make a difference in somebody's life. I too wanted to have a long-lasting impact on these young minds so that together we can make this world a better place to live in.
With standardized lesson plans and exciting teaching aid curated by volunteers, eVidyaloka has not just brought quality education to rural India, but also made learning fun. In its 10 years of existence, with support from the government, local community, compassionate partner organizations across 11 states, and the benevolence and time of volunteers, class assistants, and field coordinators, eVidyaloka has delivered on the vision of its founders.
It has been very successful in creating a fear-free learning environment in remote rural government schools of Uttarakhand. We look forward to strengthen this partnership and extend the outreach to many more need-based schools in the Himalayas.
The most notable contribution to this endeavor has been of the donors who bestowed the cause with generous financial aid and made all this happen.
Was the non-availability of the teaching faculty at the rural centers CAMS came across eVidyaloka as a solution for the same.
It is said that a family, a community, or a country that does not invest in its children has no future. So let me thank eVidyaloka for the commendable work they're doing in strengthening the foundations of our future by investing in all of you.
A decade of making a difference in building the future and bridging the urban and rural divide for a strong, sustainable youth has needed a great milestone, and we are glad that we have played a small part in this.
It's not only a very noble cause but highly essential that we work with the rural youth of the country and continue to create more opportunity for them to pursue high quality education. My sincere thanks and wishes for everybody involved in this initiative. I hope you have a great event and you continue to build upon your good work for future. The whole country will be thankful to you for this. Thank you.
Our association in the initial couple of years will be in developing the project through the platform Jupiter, and we are also working with eVidyaloka in developing the digital ready-to-consume content. We are eagerly looking forward for this project to come through so that we can look at the happy faces of the children as they learn in a very advanced manner through this digital medium.
For the last few years, we are working along with eVidyaloka. Today, in addition to supporting eVidyaloka in setting up a digital classroom, we also encourage L&T or TS executives to become a volunteer to take such a classes. More than around 30 such volunteers from L&T Technology Services are also participating.
My special thanks to LTI for all their support, to Infosys BPM, CAMS and all other organizations and individual donors who stand with us for the cause of quality rural education.
The kind of cause that when Rishi and Venkat put it across, I said, look, this is one thing that I want to be involved with for my own satisfaction. It's not so much about what we could do. Obviously, we want to do our best, but at the end of the day, any social cause is all about what satisfaction you draw from it, right? At the end of the day, as they say, as Swami Vivekananda says, it's not the distance but the direction that matters.
Taking it a step further, eVidyaloka has started various academic and social programs to encourage the spirit of learning among students. Rubaru is the annual summit of the thought leaders from various organizations to promote rural-urban connect and share thoughts and insights. And their National Student Innovation Challenge partners up students of rural schools with urban students to develop solutions to the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. eVidyaloka conducted the leadership curriculum, where a student selects a goal and upon achieving it, presents the topic in front of an audience, and the Vijnana interactive quiz competition with students from multiple states actively competing in a multi-round quiz.
கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ் நேரத்தில் எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்தது. அந்த ஆன்லைன் கிளாஸ்னால எங்களுக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் அறிவாக இருந்தது. அதில் மேம் ரொம்ப அழகாக பேசுவாங்க, ஹோம்ஒர்க் கொடுப்பாங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் விளையாட்டெல்லாம் சொல்லி தருவாங்க. ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக போகும். அதெல்லாம் அவங்க நிறைய கிஃப்டெல்லாம் எங்களுக்கு ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஷாஷூஜி மேம் கிராமர் புக்கு ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் நாங்கள் ஒரு புக்கு கொடுத்துருங்க, அதிலெல்லாம் நாங்கள் ஹோம்ஒர்க் பண்ணுவோம். ஆர்த்தி மேம் தான் இந்த வாட்ச் தந்தாங்க. இந்த வாட்ச் ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. இது அது இல்லாமல் எல்லாத்துக்கும் பயன்படுது. அதனால ஆர்த்தி மேமுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ்.
When COVID-19 struck and lockdown was implemented, the main concern for the team at eVidyaloka was that this would cause a major academic roadblock for the children. To keep the learning going, information was collected about students who could be connected to the grid, and the Learn from Home initiative was started to connect internet-enabled students with teachers.
The first concern was on the safety of our children and their families. We quickly went into action and did our best to support them. But having done that, the next thought on our minds was, how do we continue to engage these young minds and they continue to be interested in studying And that became the next project, so to say. And we call it very proudly as the Learn from Home program.
The pandemic could not stop us. The spirit of wanting to do something and giving that extra was not stopped by the pandemic. We got on to our mobile app and started teaching children. And this was an amazing experiment for us because we just changed the way quality education could be delivered, not just through our digital classroom program, but also through our mobile applications.
Students unable to connect to the internet were part of the Learn Through TV program, which saw success in the form of a viewership of 12 lakh children.
मेरी बेटी को ले लेकर हर माह इनको यहाँ जमा कर हूँ, इसलिए मैं खुश हूँ। मेरी बेटी लेकिन अच्छा पढ़ रही है, अच्छा एजुकेशन मिल को है, बहुत खुश हूँ मैं।
ಎಲ್ಲೋ ನಡೀತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪಾಠಗಳನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳುಗಳು ಪಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾಲೋಕದ ಮತ್ತು HCL ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ದೊರೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಗಣಿತ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಆಗಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಗಳನ್ನು ಟಿ ವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಲಿಸಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಈ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
In the decades since its inception, students of eVidyaloka have continued and completed their education, even going on to secure admissions and scholarships for further studies. Illustrious students have innovated, won awards, and have set up a rewarding future for themselves.
eVidyaloka, I am proud to say, is at the forefront, is a pioneer in ensuring good education, quality education reaches the remotest corners of the country, and they have used technology to the best in ensuring this happens. eVidyaloka is entering is a very big day, it's entering a new phase of this journey, and I wish eVidyaloka all the very best and more success in their endeavour. I am happy that eVidyaloka is in my constituency and we are always there to support you, your private education.
Thank you, volunteers, for truly making this magic happen. Thank you, children, for being the very purpose of our existence. Thank you, patrons, for being through us through this 10-year journey and hopefully many, many more years to come.
And now, eVidyaloka is an amazing reality. Our volunteers, donors, well-wishers, and many other non-profit institutions, I bow to them all on this occasion to have supported this initiative and given us more strength to carry it forward.
I'm calling upon all of you to join this journey, to join this movement. This movement has already been there for 10 years now, and I'm sure it will continue. And I'm sure that with all of your support, we will have a country where no child is left behind.
The children of this country are its future. eVidyaloka is doing their best with the help of exceptional volunteers and partners to take quality education to the children in remote villages in India. The next milestone is 1 crore children in 3 years. The journey has just begun.